So I've been spending a lot of time down in our back lazarette for a while now, and I should preface this by the fact that I hate confined spaces. So I've got to fit all these doubling plates. So getting in here, I've got to get over the steering, the rudder post, and various things catch me. I'm getting better at it with practice. I'm going to slide my butt back there, dislocate my shoulder a little, and slide it, under with my plate, and then gradually work my butt back past all the catches and snags and things, and here I am in my working position. Can't lift my head up and can only reach the things I'm working on with one hand. Maybe I can get around a bit more. There. So that's the worst one, back to this stuff. Oh, I get two hands in there. I'm getting better at this. It's not terribly comfortable. Can you see down here? Whoa. Hey there. So anyway, this is home. It's a boat. You're waving around. Anyway, so that's it. Now getting out is equally interesting. So I have to get out past the various obstructions here. About first. I have to remember how to do this. Okay. All that yoga Janaki taught me years ago is obviously paying off. Cameraman staying diplomatically silent. Okay. And that is working on a boat.